Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Clorox Cleaner is probably one of the most versatile cleaning products on the market, effectively tackling various cleaning tasks from disinfecting kitchen counters to tackling tough stains in bathrooms, and it's a reliable choice for maintaining a clean and hygienic environment in homes, schools, hospitals, and businesses, making it a true cleaning essential for various settings and needs, offering a powerful, clean, and effective sanitization. Number 5. Clorox Cleanup Cleaner. It's proven to eliminate SARS-CoV-2, the virus causing COVID-19, on hard surfaces. Keep your home safe and healthy with its powerful disinfecting action. This versatile cleaner doesn't just disinfect, it also tackles 99.9% of bacteria and viruses, leaving your home sparkling. Its powerful spray easily cuts through grease and grime, removing tough stains in your kitchen and bathroom. Say goodbye to stubborn messes. It's effective on various hard, non-porous surfaces, both indoors and outdoors. Clean appliances, outdoor furniture, and more with ease. With its innovative design, you'll use every last drop. No more struggling to get the cleaner out of the bottle. What we like? It comes in a pack of 3, so you always have some on hand. It's ready to spray and use right away, saving you time. If you need a reliable disinfectant that's effective against COVID-19, this is a great choice. What people say. Good product, they clean well, they were delivered nicely, no leaks, and everyone wants a clean surface, so I'm really glad that they have the bleach. I have used Clorox Cleanup for years as an all-purpose cleanser and disinfectant. I use it every day to clean kitchen and bathroom surfaces and to kill germs. Leaves a fresh, clean scent. This multi-surface cleaner with bleach works well for various cleaning tasks. The refill bottle is convenient and economical, and it delivers good results in keeping surfaces spotless and sanitized. A reliable cleaning product. Number 4. Clorox Cleanup All-Purpose Cleaner. It's certified to kill the virus that causes COVID-19 on hard surfaces. This bleach disinfecting spray refill provides powerful cleaning and disinfection. Make your home sparkle. It cleans, disinfects, and kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. It's perfect for everyday use. This powerful cleaner cuts through tough germs and grime. It removes stubborn stains in your kitchen and bathroom with its original scent. It penetrates and removes messes on any hard, non-porous surface. Use it indoors or outdoors on appliances, furniture, and more. This refill bottle provides dependable Clorox bleach cleaning power. Eliminate household messes and leave your home smelling fresh. Get the trusted cleaning power of Clorox in a convenient refill bottle. It's the smart and economical way to keep your home clean and disinfected. What we like? This large refill bottle is super economical, saving you money in the long run. You'll get a lot of cleaning power for your money. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to disinfect your home and kill COVID-19, this is perfect for you. What people say. Good product, they clean well, they were delivered nicely, no leaks, and everyone wants a clean surface, so I'm really glad that they have the bleach. I have used Clorox Cleanup for years as an all-purpose cleanser and disinfectant. I use it every day to clean kitchen and bathroom surfaces and to kill germs. Leaves a fresh, clean scent. This multi-surface cleaner with bleach works well for various cleaning tasks. The refill bottle is convenient and economical, and it delivers good results in keeping surfaces spotless and sanitized. A reliable clean product. Number 3. Clorox Cleanup Bleach Spray. Effortlessly clean and disinfect your home with this powerful bleach cleaner. It's perfect for tackling tough messes and leaving surfaces sparkling. This bleach spray cuts through grease and grime with ease. It's the perfect solution for a variety of cleaning needs. It doesn't just clean, it disinfects and eliminates odors, leaving your home fresh and clean. Say goodbye to unwanted smells. The 3 32-ounce bottles are designed with leak-proof caps to ensure safe and convenient storage and use. No more spills or messes. Get 3 bottles of Clorox Cleanup Bleach Cleaner Spray for exceptional value. This pack provides long-lasting cleaning power for your entire home. Use it on various surfaces, from countertops and sinks to floors and toilets. It's a versatile solution for all your cleaning needs. What we like? This pack contains 3 leak-proof bottles, perfect for preventing spills and messes. They're ready to use straight away, no need for extra preparation. If you value convenience and worry about spills, this is the option for you. What people say. The product is so good that I have used it for years in my cleaning arsenal. The Clorox Cleanup is the only thing that keeps my sink white. I love this product. This is an excellent cleaner and have used it many times in the USA. We find it a very strong and penetrating cleaner, and as an acid-based bleach product it is very good at removing mildew and alkaline detritus from shower areas. Number 2. Clorox Cleanup Cleaner Spray. It's time to make your home sparkle. This all-purpose cleaner makes cleaning a breeze, leaving your surfaces spotless and shining. This versatile cleaner tackles messes on various hard, non-porous surfaces, both indoors and outdoors. From appliances to outdoor furniture, it cleans them all. With the power of bleach, it eliminates 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. It's tough on germs, yet safe for your home. Say goodbye to tough kitchen and bath stains. Its powerful spray cuts through grime and leaves your surfaces sparkling clean. Smart tube technology means you'll use every last drop. No more tilting or transferring, just efficient cleaning. This cleaner delivers dependable Clorox cleaning power, making it perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, and more. It's your go-to for a sparkling clean home. What we like? It's a convenient 24-ounce spray bottle with smart tube technology, ensuring you use every drop. It's ready to use straight away, no need for extra preparation. If you like a convenient spray bottle that prevents waste, this is a great choice. What people say. It is bleach, so don't spray near fabrics, rugs, etc. In the kitchen I use it in my stainless steel sink. My sink is over 30 years old and after one spray and rinse it's shiny like it's new. In the bathrooms I spray in shower, toilet and sink. Again, one spray and rinse is all it takes. Makes cleaning very easy. Works as promoted and expected. Great all-around cleaner where sanitizing is needed. Concentrated bleach plus detergent, so a little goes a long way. Similar to mixing laundry bleach with water and detergent, but the value is the convenience, decent sprayer, and Clorox sells refills. Number 1. Clorox Cleaning Agent. This powerful cleaning agent tackles tough grease, dirt, and grime with ease. It's perfect for all your cleaning needs. It comes with a convenient 32-ounce spray bottle and a large 180-ounce refill bottle, so you'll always be prepared. Experience the innovative smart tube technology. It ensures consistent cleaning power and makes application simple. Say goodbye to stubborn stains. It effortlessly removes grease and grime from various surfaces. Clean your appliances, floors, showers, and more with this one powerful solution. It's versatile enough for any cleaning task. It makes cleaning a breeze. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your clean space. What we like? This product includes a 32-ounce spray bottle and a large 180-ounce refill, giving you a lot of cleaning power. It features smart tube technology for efficient use. If you need a large quantity of cleaner and value efficient use, this is the best option. What people say. The spray nozzle dispenses the perfect amount of cleaner, ensuring that I can cover a large area without wasting product. The bleach-infused formula works wonders in disinfecting and brightening surfaces, leaving them looking and feeling exceptionally clean. This is the only product I'll use to mop my floor. The smell is fresh and nice and it performs extremely well mixed with hot water. Super clean floors afterwards. I use it to clean tile and bathroom fixtures. The bleach in the foam assures me that it's killing germs and making everything sparkle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.